Okay, part 2. So we're going back to here. We notice that the equation of the axis are these three values. If you notice the difference between the other values, you will see that each number is going up and down by 3. 3 is our amplitude. So that's important for us to figure out how this equation, to make sure that the equation matches our values. Alright, in order to graph it, you have to look at the function. So we're just going to get through, so we have that important points on the table. And the next thing we're going to do is have our function, our x and our y axis. So we do that, we label our x and y axis according to certain values, and we find out we now have to graph these points. So we graph it so that all the points will fit nicely, label only some of the values, and determine the actual graph of this function. And we find out that the function looks as such. So again, we have here, and that dotted line is the equation of the axis. The equation of the axis is that y equals 1. That's that dotted line. And we see that the graph touches the equation of the axis three times, once at the beginning, once in the middle, and once in the end. Alright, that's the end of this video, folks, part 2. Sorry it had to go on to a second video. Have a good night.